take a look. Some of those. Okay, so face-on view, we can look right away and see the grip is a little bit strong. Okay, so we're gonna have to square that up just a hair. Both hands, it looks like the left hand is a little on top of the club, where the right hand is a little underneath. So we can move those a little bit. Let's take a look at this back view. Posture looks very good, like that. Let's draw the line. So, a little inside. Pointed a little bit to the right of our target, then at the top. So it comes inside and around at the top. Pointed out to the right of our target slightly. But what happens is you keep it tucked really nicely underneath, which is good. So where we saw with Jesse kind of a loop, for you it's just inside, and that's okay for the contact of the golf ball. Yeah, let's look at the face-on. The face-on is going to tell us a lot about the length of your swing, I think. So you notice how we get a little bit back here past parallel, and we get this bowing, okay, in our left arm. What we'd like to see is at the top of the swing, this is a really good position actually for the top of the backswing. If we could just get that left arm to be a little bit straighter, and the club to be a little bit, yeah, exactly. So if we keep this left arm a little straighter instead of getting it to bow, what that does is it keeps the club out of the way, your hands away from your head, and then it doesn't get the club back in here. And what that does is when you get the club back in here, it starts to use that third lever, which is our wrists back in here, which we don't want, because then that becomes a timing thing. It'll get us a little bit more distance, but it inevitably makes it right and left and all over the place. So we get this strengthened where you're kind of feeling like you're pushing away with your right hand from your head at the top of the backswing. You keep that tension there, and that'll keep our left arm straighter, and then it's going to keep us back closer to parallel instead of getting back in here. Okay.
So that I can actually see my swing.
So go ahead and take a couple swings where you feel like your swing is like 80% of full, okay? And you're stopping, and then at the top of the backswing, you kind of feel like there's a little bit of pressure with the right hand pushing away from your head slightly.